Hello, hello everyone. My name is Crimson and welcome back to Resident Evil 7. Now, we are in a bit of a backflash right now. We are on the ship looking for Evelyn, and there's a goopy person up here that I'm gonna have to kill in a minute. Okay. Okay, you missed me. Let me cut into you again. I used up a ton more ammo than I meant to. I like this gun, but at the same time I really don't like this gun. Well, we're getting farther away from her, but we're on the right path because we're still finding vomit. And yeah, this is what she does. She vomits. Hopefully I can get past you, because I really don't need I need to fight as little as I can possibly get away with. All right, got some more ammo. And thank you for coming downstairs, goopy person. And did I haven't really talked about this in depth, I don't think, but I love that I can close doors and they can't follow me. They're like door repellent, or door intolerant, I guess is the word. Okay, we are getting close. She's behind this door, but I need a key. Oh. Chem fluid. I don't have any heals, and I need bullets. Supplements make psychostimulants, apparently. Oh, wait, what was this other thing? Nero rounds? Oh. Well, that's new. I'll have to try that. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need to make a heal. Corrosive. What does this do? Strong acid that can dissolve certain metals. Does this work on those key things? Yes, it does. Evelyn, where are ya?
Mad at me, Mommy?
No, Evie, I'm not mad. Wait, what did you call me?
I don't want to live at the lab anymore. I want a house. And I want you to be my mommy.
Okay, Evie. I'll be your mommy. Just come back with me. Right now, okay? Where are you, Evie?
I think Evie's gone haywire. I'm gonna go ahead and make that heal. Okay, that's locked. There you are.
Evie, wait!
Kid, this is not funny.
Did you find her?
Yes, but she ran off. She's making more friends, Alan. Those things are everywhere.
I told you so.
Are you okay?
Alrighty, we got a new target. So, Evelyn is going crazy, or rather she already was crazy. Oh, no. And she can make those things. Not today, Baz. I think she went this way. Either way, I'm going to use a corrosive. Okay. Well, it's not what I need, but supply room works just as good. A remote bomb. What are these two? Herbs. Machine gun ammo, I can use that. What does this remote bomb do? Can be detonated by remote control. Press R to detonate. It's a new kind of weapon. Well, the rest of the ship, I'm pretty sure, is aware of the situation. Excuse me. And I've got a ton of ammo. I don't like the look of this. I'm having to prepare for a fight. All right. Oh, that wasn't good. That was not good at all. Okay, you know what? Just go ahead and kill me. Thank you. I know. I think this gun works best if you aim for the chest and just let it kick back up. Okay, let me get past you, please. Because I really don't want to fight you. Oh, damn it. Kid, you are so grounded after this. So apparently I'm gonna have to fight you two. Die. Just please, die. So, Evelyn is a real girl, and she, as far as I can tell, has been living in a lab facility for most, if not all, of her life. Rightfully understandable that she would be not happy with that. So she wants to break out and have a family like she's never had before.
Emergency safety lockdown system has been engaged.
Oh, groovy. What are we doing now? Maybe a better question is what blocked the elevator? All right. Where are we going? I feel like I've been here. I have been here. I recognize this room. Okay, corrosive. Remote bombs. What are these? How best would you use these? Oh, well, I guess I can test that. It's locked from the other side? Oh, great. Well, no time like the present. Oh, yes, I got you. Okay, well, on the bright side, figure out the bombs. Is that ammo? Yes. I think I'll eat a herb. I'm at sort of okay health. Oh, there's chem fluid. I can make another heal. Let's get some good juice. Okay, which way did you go? Maybe this way? Oh, come on. Come on. All right, boys, let's dance. Got you. Okay, now that I have a moment to think, I don't think there was a point to this room. Not that I can tell. Oh, my watch isn't my codex isn't telling me what direction she went in. There's got to be a way to turn off the lockdown. Only got one corrosive left. Do I dare? I'll save it for now. There was another side over here, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's the elevator down. I'm half expecting there to be some gooby people. Alan? Evie's upstairs.
Alan? Alan, where the hell are you?
I can climb up. Are you freaking kidding me? This is how I was supposed to do it? Oh my gosh. I am blind as a bat. Alright, I know it says she's upstairs, but I'm gonna check down here for any resources. Of which there is none. That's not good. I should be able to handle whatever I'm gonna find up here. Okay, I've got something. Something's cooking. Okay. Evie, where are ya? Well, this is the TV room that I was in. Or rather, where I'm watching this from. Who are you? Oh, Alan? Is that you?
How did you get here?
Where's Evie?
She's out of control. Without the treatments, she's deteriorating.
Well, it's a good thing we're already dying.
Don't say that.
She trusts you. That little bitch, she never trusted. Okay, wait. Evie, no, Evie.
Alan, listen.
I didn't mean to call you that.
She's
Evie,
trying to take control. You have to fight her.
Oh.
Evelyn, stop! Stop right now!
Don't touch me, don't!
Jeez. So that explains something. I think Mia just became infected. What was that? Was that something for a serum? Well, hello. What is this? Oh, that must be the computer she used at the beginning of the game to send Ethan that message. Okay, well, it doesn't look like there's anything else I can grab, so onward we go. Yeah, that's gotta be it. And I don't have another corrosive on me. Otherwise, I would unlock that door.
Ethan. You were right. I did lie to you. I shouldn't have. All I can say is that if you get this, stay away. Forget that you ever knew me. Have a good life.
Whoa. So that's how that happened. Now where do we go? I don't think I can get in here without a corrosive. Oh. Apparently I can. Oh, Evelyn looks like she's very, very mad. What?
We'll be together forever.
No. Nope, nope. Holy. So that's how the ship crashed. And then you washed up on shore and the bakers found you, and then they must have gotten infected, so they don't work for Umbrella at all. They at best it sounds like they were just an unfortunate
Now do you remember?
accident.
Yes, Evelyn. I remember.
Can we be a family like before?
No, Evie. We can't be a family. We were never a family. We will never be a family.
Then I don't need you anymore.
Oh, kid. Ooh, you are getting on my nerves. Sounds to me like Evie has never been grounded. Let's introduce her to that concept. And firstly, we are going to save because, wow, that was a lot to take in. Okay. So, chem fluid. Can I make anything? Can make more bullets, and I've got some heals. Okay, I have a kind of sort of chance of fighting. So what was this? The contents have been taken. E-neck toxin. I think toxin. Destroy any subject, anyone, any. I can't make any of this out, but I think it's directions on how to make the serum. This must have been how Zoe knew how to make it. Oh, of course, I need a lockpick, which I don't have. Machine gun ammo, so I can get my gun back, eh? Chem fluid. And a herb. Let's make another good juice. It looks broken. Of course it's broken. I mean, it's been on this ship for, what, 3 years? How is it this door... Okay, to my eyes, it looks like the door corroded open, but now it's sealed shut tight. I wonder if I had saved my last corrosive on it, if that would have done anything. So, what do we do now is the question. Oh, can't open that. We do need to find Ethan. And then I guess we have to deal with Evelyn. I didn't say anything about it at the moment other than that, how it made sense, but in the beginning of the game, there was a photo of what looked like the grandma and said E001. And then I find something on this ship with Evelyn, so it's starting to make sense now that somehow Evelyn is the old woman, I think, is what this is pointing at. Which is twisted, to say the least. Well, I guess they said she was deteriorating, so maybe she ages faster now. Gunpowder, good stuff. Need another chem fluid. So we need to find Ethan, and there has to be a way to deal with Evelyn. Like, there has to be a way to correct the pathogen, to cure it. Because how would they send two people with a thing that can spread a deadly infection? Oh, is that a bomb? But they wouldn't have any way to cure it should there be a spread or an outbreak. All right, I have a remote bomb. That's very, very handy. It doesn't make much sense for contingency measures. So, captain's cabin. Hopefully there's something good in here. Lug wrench. Bet I could use that to open the, ooh, map. Very handy. I could use that to open the elevator door. Oh. I really, really want to get this. Please, is there a key or something? Please let there be a key. Maybe it's somewhere else. If ever there was a time I needed a psychostimulant, now would be it. The key has to be around here somewhere. What
Maybe
is
it still
this?
works.
That's the room where it was. That's the elevator shaft. Not sure about that one. Ethan.
I hope I make it in time. Okay. Bottom level.
He's at the bottom level. Whoa!
Liar!
Stop it, Evelyn! Fucking
Punch her.
patience. Where is she?
Punch that little girl in the face. I deeply abhor punching little girls or just punching anyone in general, but that kid definitely needs to take it down a level. Okay, is there any chance that the wrench works? I can't use that there. Of course not. I want the key. I need to know where the key is. Because I would very much like to have that gun. Oh, I've already been here. That's a long way down. Okay. Well, let's give that wrench a try. Oh, I can get back up. So does this mean I can get the key and come back? Lewis, the cable is completely fried. We had a replacement, but we had to use it to fix something in the third floor sick bay. You're gonna have to ask Dr. Walden for it. I'm gonna go down to engineering number 2 room, but I can't get down there unless this thing is working. All right, well. I hear people. Okay, we've got a lot of work to do here. And with that, folks, I'm going to call this part right here. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a like, comment, or subscribe. And I will catch you in the next one. Toodaloo!